Back in January of 2016, PC Richardson attended on a welfare check that came from a 911 call for a young woman who was very disturbingly high on drugs and was acting out in manners that caused one person who made the call to be very, very concerned. My client, Beth Richardson, went into the residence and saw this poor young woman kind of bouncing off the walls. And in the course of being in the residence, walks into the kitchen and sees this poor little kitten cowering under a chair, looking quite neglected. Beth was concerned that if this kitten stayed in the care of this young woman who could not even take care of herself, that the kitten was in immediate danger of being hurt in this residence. So Beth removed the kitten from the residence openly, didn't hide this from anyone, with the intention to take it to the Humane Society. The Humane Society was closed at that hour, and she had to make arrangements for the kitten to be kept and cared for overnight until the Humane Society opened in the morning. She had a friend pick up the kitten and take it to a veterinary clinician who examined the kitten, took care of it, cleaned it up. And it was, while this was being done, several hours later after the police had been at the residence, that the boyfriend of the female owner of the kitten complained to the police that the kitten had been stolen. So Richardson's plan to take the kitten to the Humane Society was interrupted, I think sadly, quite frankly, but the kitten was returned back to the owner the very same day. Why resources are being wasted to try to scar my client with the label of discreditable conduct is beyond me. And that every good officer takes that very seriously, because it goes to your oath as an officer. And she does her very best every day in public service to protect lives, and in this case, protect a fragile kitten. What Beth Richardson did was bring credit to the Durham Regional Police Service. And what is beyond my understanding is why it would be seen in any other light. Animal Justice, which is Canada's leading animal rights group or association, is intervening or seeking to intervene in this case because they're concerned about the chilling effect that disciplining PC Beth Richardson may have not only upon police officers who may often find themselves in situations where animals are at risk, but also upon the public. No one should be afraid of doing the right thing when they see an animal in distress.